So today I have such a fun video for you guys. I have a package from Moitie. They do lashes. You know how obsessed I am with lashes. To show you everything that I received. Of course, it came nicely packaged, but I just had to take a peek. It is a 10-day lash kit for you to do at home. You don't have to be a professional. We're gonna try this for the first time together. I've never done it, and we're just gonna give it a try. So many different styles of lashes. This is not just like your regular lash band. These come in segments. You'll see. I want to thank Moitie for sending me these items. This video is not sponsored, but they did gift this to me. And before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jenz BeautyStyle, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Leave all their information down below if you want to check out their site. How adorable is Moitie Cosmetics packaging? This is a 10-day lash kit. I did see on their website you can purchase these if you want as kits, or you can buy these items individually. Look at these lashes. I am huge on packaging, and this packaging is everything. Tell me it's not. These look super dramatic. I love it. We have different styles here. We'll see which one we choose for today. Wow, these feel so soft. I was not expecting that. And if you look closely, you see that they come in segments. So it's not just like a strip lash. We're gonna try it for the first time. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're not professionals here, but you can use this, I believe, up to like 25-30 times. Just take care of them, so it's okay if we mess up. And they send me this one. Look how cute this is. Look how cute this is. I mean, and let me feel these again. Wow, how is that even possible? This style is screaming my name. Look how beautifully curled they are. They also come with a spoolie, and with this other one here when you want to like clean the lash or put the lash remover glue. It's called Paris. I love that they have the name. If you buy a couple of them and you just want to store them, it's very easy to know which style it is. So that's Paris. They're longer but also very voluminous. Feel them? Wow, seriously guys, I'm not even kidding. These feel so soft. So this one is in the style Real. Very easy for you to safely put them away so they don't get ruined. I have these here. I think these are very voluminous, long, dramatic. If you're into that, I love dramatic lashes. Look how pretty these are. All of them look like they have a beautiful curl. This one is in Moscow. Here it just says Moitie Cosmetics. I also got this little packet here, which it says 10-day Lash Extensions Applicator. Guys, this is like a starter kit. You can buy all of these individual if you're not like into everything, but I do believe it comes out more affordable for what I saw online if you buy like the whole kit than everything individual, but it's up to you. Look at this beautiful lash applicator. It feels really good quality. This is so necessary. I have an extra pair here. You see, you get a spoolie, and then this would be like to clean the lash, or if you would want to put it when you're gonna remove the lashes, your removing glue. Has everything that you would need. I have this cute little pouch. Oh my god, is this adorable or what? This is an LED hand mirror. Look at that. Do you see that? It also included this, which thank god, this is so important. This is the Moitie Super Lash Removal Gel, and this here is the glue. They have many different types of glues, many different types of lashes. So this one, what I see online, is the sensitive hyperallergenic 10-day lash glue. That's what it looks like. And this is a 10-day super lash seal. After everything's done, I guess you just like go through your lashes. It also included these 3 Neutrogena wipes. The glue could get stuck like to the lash applicator, and you can pull the lashes because it's like sticky. So I'll definitely use that like to clean the applicator. We're gonna go in with this one here, Paris. This little clip right there. Get my little mirrors so I can see Well, what I'm doing here, I've seen some videos that say to curl your lashes, so that's what I'm going to do. Start by removing the first segment. Alright, that was not hard. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna take the lash glue and just apply it. I don't know, I don't want to put too much. Make sure I do this right. Oh my god, I'm nervous. You don't want it to touch like your lid. We're supposed to swipe so you like coat the glue with your own lash. So right, so that's how the first one looked. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. I think you're supposed to wait a little, and as you see, I'm just like pressing it so my lash gets stuck with that lash. Oh my god, guys, do you see this? Is it taking me a long time? Yes, because I've never done this before, but I am so obsessed with this style. When I saw them, I just knew like these are the ones I have to try. But let me just close my eyes so you can see. Look at that. I don't think I did bad for the first time. You want to let it dry really well. Oh, these look so good. Definitely, 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 you must like clean this lash applicator. You just have to. If not, like the lash segments are gonna stick to it and you're gonna have a hard time putting it. Feels like they're stuck on really, really well, which gets me really excited. Of course, I would love to put these with makeup, but I really wanted you to see like just how they would look, you know? It doesn't look bad at all. Look, when I close my eye, it doesn't look weird. Let me just put, this is again the lash seal. So I'm just gonna put that like that. So I want to show you that I did just use 4. It comes in 5 segments. I think 4 was enough for me. That's why this is so awesome, because you can definitely customize it. And you can use lash segments from here, from another one, whatever you like. It gets a little bit of glue like here in the bottom. I could just clean it with this, but I cannot tell you like how obsessed I am with this style. Again, this is Paris. I really like that, me not being at advanced level at all. It was very easy to work with. Like the placement that I put the segments in weren't the best always, and I had time to remove it and to put it back on. And this one gave me more of a hard time because I'm a lefty, so this was like a bit of a struggle, and I really didn't like the placement at the end of the lash. So this one was like not as together, more separate, but you can apply them however you want. If you like that more like a separate look, it's very user friendly just because it just gives you a lot of opportunity. I don't feel the glue whatsoever. These don't feel uncomfortable to me, and they just look very nice. I don't have any pair of lashes that look like this. I do believe like they look like lash extensions, like if you went to a salon. What do you guys think? Just telling you, if you're that person that is like, oh my god, no, 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 like me, like I could have a pair of lashes and then realize like, no, no, I can't imagine having this for a bunch of days. Like if at any moment you want to remove them, you can. You get the glue in the kit, which is amazing, and I don't even know like if you would need it because this is so gentle. Like they feel really secure, trust me. Like I said, with this one, like I was able to just take it off. Just be careful, you don't want to rip your own lashes. So I am just drying my face right now. I just did some clips of me doing the windproof test because they say they're windproof and also waterproof. So we're gonna check that out. I will insert some clips for you to watch while I dry this up. I'm in my bathroom and I use the blow dryer so you can see nothing. Untouchable, these lashes. And then I also splashed water. As you can see, they're still wet, so check it out. And now that I dried them, you can see, like, I'm closing my eyes, they still look good. Still looking good. They're drying nicely too. They didn't lose the shape or anything just because they got wet. Check out the comments. I will definitely give you an update on these, alright? How long did they actually last, or if any fell out whatsoever. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!